Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Septian Dwi Firman Kholik from class PAIC, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Winsba. Here I will present about social symptoms in society. Thesis: social change that occur in society that cause change in behavior to norms. Argument 1. How can there be irregular, irregular, irregularities in society? 2. What are the negative and positive effects of this? 3. How to solve this problem of society symptoms? 4. What are the examples of symptoms that are predicted? The outline: social symptoms are phenomena that vary due to social interaction between people in society. Social symptoms will continue to exist as society develops. The cause of the social symptom include by social change, social heterogeneity, and social deviation. Social change in society is a course concerned with the process of changing behavior, value and norms the good society and contain times. The change affects the conscience of society so as to cause social symptoms. Social symptoms caused by social heterogeneity, differences in people life, of community activities in interacting can cause social symptoms such as social stratification. Social stratification is the classification of member society in a particular group in a stratified manner according to the dimensional of power and honor. Meanwhile, social deviant behavior can also cause social symptoms. However, such deviation can be positive and negative, and social symptoms can be positive or negative. Example of society phenomena in society. Positive: 1. Local governments are socializing on how to educate children in the golden age. 2. Most of the people in the city participate in the car-free-day activities. 3. Students from several schools children to make anti-drug and drug declarations. Negative: 1. Distinct in a social symptom of juvenile delinquency. 2. The working class feel unfair obtained from the working system. The lack of work-life balance is caused by work's relatively stale wage and longer working hours. Meanwhile, the class of capital owners derive their profit from industrial activities, most of which are carried out by workers. Therefore, society must be wise in responding to various forms of social change. Social symptoms that occur in society can have both positive and negative impacts. The impacts depends on the attitude of the person in dealing with it. If not related easily, social symptoms can have a negative impact. 1. There is social inequality in society. 2. Social tension is on the rise. 3. Social conflict increase. And 4. There is moral degradation. But on the contrary, social symptoms can have positive effect in how handle property and openly the impact then arise in also construction such as one the quality of public education is increasing. 2. Social is more advanced and productive. And 3. In increased tolerance between people. For example, community technology is growing rapidly. Individuals then to use mobile phones to contact friends or relatives, even though the distance to be traveled in relatively close. The condition of course becomes almost everyone has a cell phone. This proves that the change in the way people communicate using intermediaries such as mobile phone is a sign that society has undergone social change. The change have both positive and negative effects. Closing paragraph. Here are some ways that can be said to solve problems in terms to psychology among others. 1. Aware of the problem. The first step in solving the problem is the aware of problem that occurs. 2. Understand the problem. After realizing that a person is facing a problem, then the thing that is also less important is to understand and describe the problem that occurs. Understanding this problem requires in a diagnosis of an event. 3. Know the cause of the problem. There is a there is no smoke without fire. No problem with cause. This is why if it solved by use of reference, the every problem of course becomes of the cause that triggers it. 4. The first start simplifying the problem. It is not impossible. That was make the problem complicated and never grow away from within ourselves. Not infrequently, we often make yourself down on or own in a state of despair. 5. Focus on solution. Avoid focusing constantly on our problem because this attitude will make us too spoiled and by loving ourselves. That all a kind say sorry from the shortcomings and mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.